wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, I'm not a follower. Fit the mold, fit the box, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number, I was lightning before the thunder. Now thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Oh thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Thunder. Now kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? You're dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always riding in the backseat. Now I'm smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleeds. Thunder, thunder, lightning and the thunder. Oh thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Never give up, never give up, never give up on your dreams. Oh, never give up, never give up, never give up. Come on!
Happy birthday, Jack!
Happy birthday, buddy. We're so proud of you. 12, big number.
Yes, huge number. You're almost a teenager. Don't start acting like one. We love you very much. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy birthday, Jack.
Love you so much. So proud of you. Can't believe you're 12 years old. So proud to call you not only my son, but you're such a great big brother to the boys and to Mim. And you are one of my best friends, buddy. And I love you so much. And I can't wait for the next 12 years. Plus. Love you, bud. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Have a great birthday, and I can't wait to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Jack. Happy birthday, Jack.
Happy birthday, Jack. We love you. We're so proud of you. Annabelle says, hey, wish you were here eating boiled peanuts with us.
Happy birthday.
Hope you have a great day. We love you. Hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Jack. Happy birthday, Jack.
All right, that's good. That's enough, girl. Bye.
Hey, Jack Benny. Can't believe you're 12 years old. Happy birthday to you. I remember when you were about that big. Well, maybe that big. And now you're a lot bigger than that. Hope you have a great birthday. I hope you have a wonderful 12-year-old year. And it's just amazing. Next year you'll be a teenager. Oh, no! But happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to my 12-year-old grandson, Jack. He's my favorite redheaded grandson, and I'm very proud of him. I love you very much, Jack.
Happy birthday, Jack. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. We hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Jack. We love you.
We look forward to seeing you again soon, if not before, but down in Hilton Head in a week or so.
We will celebrate your birthday in Hilton Head and also Pop's birthday.
Pop's birthday.
So we love you, sweetheart. Hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope we get to see you very, very soon. All our love.
Happy birthday. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Jack. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jack. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, Jack. I wish you a very good birthday and hope you stay safe and love you. Happy birthday, Jack. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jack. I hope you have a great day and I can't wait to see you.
Gamer versus Gamer. Video game birthday party service.
And we look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their